How to fix your iPhone getting stuck on black screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone getting stuck in a black screen. Now, when your iPhone gets stuck in a black screen but it still works, it might be due to several reasons. Some of them might be hardware and software related issues. If it's hardware related issues, you might need to get it repaired. If it's a software related issues, all you need to do is just force restart your iPhone. Now, to force restart your iPhone, what you'll need to do is just first you'll need to quickly press and release volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, all you need to do is just leave it and release the button, and it will force restart your iPhone. After doing that, all you need to do is clear your screen, make sure that you clean it properly. And the other thing you can do is you can go to general on your settings and scroll down all the way and tap on transfer reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. So after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.